how to create content that reaches your target audience. I'm not going to say how to make content that goes viral, because I'm not a viral coach, and I don't want you guys to focus on going viral. I want you guys to focus on building a community, because that is the only way that your content will begin to convert. Okay, you need to have keywords in your content that your audience know, respond, and react to. You need to have keywords in your community, keywords in your content that your community know, respond, and react to, meaning they must identify. That's the know. They must identify. When you have words, text on the screen in the first second of your video, you need to have attention grabbers, right? So with that being said, in your attention grabbing hook, you need to have at least 1 or 2 words that your community know. Meaning, if I'm in the fitness niche, I need to say the word snatched, snatch waist, right? Belly fat, words that my community will quickly identify. And if they see it on the screen, they will stop scrolling. Start creating content that places your community in the seat of the dream. I need y'all to put that in the comments. I just want you to write in the seat, okay? In the seat of the dream. Write that down, y'all. Hey, get piece of paper, notebook, man. I'm telling y'all, I done dropped like 15 gems and I only been on live for 4 minutes. Search engine optimizations. Your community is actively going, let me show you guys. Your community is actively going to this little box right here on TikTok. Believe it or not, they're going here. They're going to the search engine on TikTok and typing in questions. How to grow my business on TikTok. They're going to find me every single time. How to create content that reaches my target audience. You're going to come to me every single time. Let me ask you guys this. This is what I want you guys to do. I want you to type a question. I'm going to place you in the seat of your customers, because if you're a business owner, you have to understand how to be in the seat of your customers, your ideal target audience. So what I want you to do, and the more you guys interact, the more you're going to learn. Just like in college, just like in high school. If you engage and interact, you learn more. But if you sit on the sidelines and just peep the scene, hey, you might learn something, but you're not going to really soak in everything, okay? So with that being said, I want you to put a question in the comment section that is going to reflect what you believe your target audience is actively searching in the search bar. I want you to think about what problem they had 2 weeks ago. I want you to think about a problem that they have today. And I want you to think about a problem that they're going to have in the near future if they don't take action with you. Oh man, I just gave a whole masterclass. First thing I want you to do is write down, what is someone going to type in the search bar? And Charlena, I want you to think about how they're typing it, because that matters. Because you know what you're going to do? You're going to take what you type here and you're going to make, that's your hook. That is your hook. And guess what also that is? That is the topic that you're going to discuss. All of the answers to creating better content that reaches your target audience can be found right here if you understand how this search engine works. People come to this search engine to find answers. So guess what you have to do? You have to start creating content that ends, ENDS, your audience's search.